welcome back to my channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You guys that's out there in the market for a Corvette, that's a good used one right here. It's a 2016 black on black grand. No, it's base model Stingray, automatic. Yes, base model Stingray automatic. It's 54,990. And this is 2016. And as you can see, these cars, they hold their value pretty good.
How you doing, man?
All right, how about yourself?
Pretty good. What you thinking on this?
Huh?
I don't want to mess up your video.
No, I got one. Mine's in the shop.
Oh, okay.
I'm just looking.
I got you. What's wrong with yours?
Clutch.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Is it the pedal itself, or is it got a hydraulic leak or something?
I don't know, but it's costing me $4,000. So that's the whole system.
You got hydraulic, yeah.
Oh, that's what I kind of thought.
That's my guess on it. I don't know too much about vets, to be honest. Well, I know a lot about the old vets. The newer ones, there's so much going on with them, I can't keep up.
Yeah. It's a lot of a lot of update technology now with these cars, man.
Oh yeah, that's what's hurting. Well, now we're short on chips, so now it's just killing us.
What's chips?
Like the computer chips they put in them.
Okay.
It's created a backlog for even your normal cars.
Wow.
That's why we don't have any new inventory in.
What do you mean? What, new inventory?
Yeah, we have like no new. I think we got like 12 new cars. That's it total.
Because of chips?
Yeah, computer chips. There's literally fully made cars at the manufacturer plant, but they're just all sitting there waiting on computer chips to go in.
Are you talking about Bowling Green, or are you talking about GM as a whole?
Everyone. Ford, GM,
wow.
Caddy, Mercedes is now being hit with it. Mercedes kind of jumped the gun, and they bought everything that was available, so they were okay for a little bit, but now they're even feeling it. So yeah, I mean, that's why you got so much used inventory. There's not much new left, and it's just slowly trickling in. But like that computer hardware is the same thing. You can't get any type of computer hardware in.
Well, I mean, what caused all that?
Well, the cryptocurrency that boomed, so everybody went and bought a bunch of computer parts, and that hurt. And then also an Intel plant burnt down, and that really hurt. Wow. Yeah. Cryptocurrency, yes sir. What they call it, mining.
Man, that's some junk, you ask me.
That Bitcoin, if you would have bought in early, I think it's retarded the share prices right now, and like Dogecoin, all that stuff. I don't invest in anything, but I mean that stuff it's crazy. I mean it's real. It's here. It's real.
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Hi, you too. Here's you got a grand sports here. I guess you guys got a earful for that conversation. I didn't know the chips was I know it was short in demand. I knew the Corvette plant was closed down there in Bowling Green, and I didn't know it was due to chips. I knew it was due to supply and demand, but I didn't know it was the chips, But I'm out here at the Hendrick Chevrolet dealership in Birmingham, and I'm checking on my Corvette, and look like it's finally in the shop, because I didn't see it out here on the service row. I don't see it nowhere outside, so it must be inside the shop finally, after a whole month. Because this week will make it a whole month that my car has been here, and had it not been in the shop today, man, I was kind of up in the raised sand, but it is in the shop, I think, now. So hopefully it'll be this week or even maybe next week before it before it's finally repaired. Because I do know that the parts are already in. Parts been in already a week or so. But you gotta check out this Grand Sports. You gotta check out this Grand Sports here. This is a wow, this is a 2017, and it's still almost 88,000 for a Grand Sport. Like I said, guys, these cars, they hold their value. And this is a manual vehicle. You can get a brand new C8 for about 60,000. This thing is 2017, and it's still almost $88,000. That goes to show you guys how these cars hold their value. They hold their value pretty damn well. She got the big wheels, the blackout wheels. Come to think of it, this car is no, it can't be the one I was looking at. I looked at one about a year or so ago that looked like this, but I don't think it was 2017. It was more like a 2019. Yeah, I think it was a 2019 one I look at, but it's exactly the same color with the with the stripes on the front of the Grand Sport stripes on it. And I try to put the Grand Sport stripes on mine, but it's not the same, because as you can see, the Grand Sports had Grand Sports is a wide body. It's wider than the base Stingray. It had that more aggressive look to it, as you guys can see. And she got a carbon fiber top to it, and it's a coupe. It's not a convertible. So you guys in the market, you want to get yourself a Corvette 9. You don't want to wait no more longer. You don't want to wait any longer on the C8. There's still some good C7s in the market. Like I said, this is a used one now. It's 2017. This thing is still almost $90,000. Sheesh. And this 2017. Let me see how many mileage on it. If I can find how many miles on it.